Yeah guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is FS Trader. Welcome back, and on this video I want to show you how to analyze the chart like a pro. We are going to take for example step index. We're going to take the analysis step by step. You will see how to analyze the top bottom analysis, how to take decisions of what to do, what to buy and sell. Guys, if you have been missing my video, this one, I don't think you have to miss it, because this is a video for VIP, but I decided to drop it here so that you guys can be more profitable instead of depending on just strategies. You can also learn how to analyze the market like a pro. All right, so if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel. You know what I do here. I draw forex trading strategies, forex trading videos on both currency pairs, boom and crash, in fact all static indices. I drop videos on this, and also give updates and guides on how to trade the forex market profitably. Now you can see I'm on step index 50 minutes time frame. So I want us to go through the analysis, how I analyze my trade on a daily basis. So, and the question is, how do we start? We first of all, I do the first thing I do is that I have to check the overview of the trend, then doing my top bottom analysis using a higher time frame to down to my entry time frame. And how do I do this, guys? Remember to subscribe to this channel if you are new, and also like this video. Leave a comment if you have any question as the class goes on. Okay, so now what I need to do is that I have to go to my higher time frame. That is let me go to the daily time frame. Now I'm on my daily time frame. Once I'm on my daily time frame, what I need to do again is to zoom out completely to see clearly what the price have been doing for days. Okay, now if I zoom out completely and scroll back, you can see that this is a clear downtrend. The price have been trending down for over 4, 5 or 6 months. Okay, so now you can see that this is a clear downtrend. You can pick our line to draw our channel. Okay, and we can pick the line to draw our channel. Then after which we, okay, let me complete the channel. Okay, you can see my channel here on daily time frame. So I've seen that this is a clear downtrend, guys. This is a clear downtrend. So after this, what I need to do is that I will go down to 4 hours time frame, which is the next time frame. Sorry guys, I need to shift this. I'll go down to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, I'm going to picture some support and resistance zone, that is demand and supply zone, where I will now place my line there, where I'll be paying attention to where the price could not break above or below at certain point or period of time. So all I need to do is to pick my support line. At this point, we have a resistance right there, and also serving as support. If you look at this place, serving as resistance also. So as I've pictured the first one, I go back again to pick my other support level. So I have to do this so that will continue. All right, so I also pick here. So we are just basically picking the major support and resistance level. Okay, so after picking your support and resistance level or demand and supply zone, so all you have to do is switch off to a lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame. Okay, once we're on 1 hour time frame, we can see what the price is now doing. What is the price currently doing? If you look clearly, you discover that the price have been trending down this way. Okay, you can see the price have been trending down this way. Then after the downtrend, there was the kind of pullback to this point. You can see the pullback to this point, guys. So after this pullback, the price now started ranging. Okay, the price started ranging. Sorry about this. I want to ranging between 2 points. Price started ranging between here and here, guys. You can see this is a support and resistance zone where the price keep ranging for some times now. Okay, now currently you can see where the price is. The price is at this point. The price is here. Okay, is where the price is. So that means the price have retested a support level right here, and we're expecting the price to push up to this point. So the question is, you want to take decision. All the analysis we are doing is to take decision of whether to buy or sell, right? So when you look at this, starting from our higher time frame, which is daily time frame, we observe that if you go to daily time frame, we observe that the price have been trending down for months. All right, so we have discovered the overview of the market. We have seen that the price is trending down, so we are looking for a selling opportunity because we want to join the trend. We want to trade with the trend. So if it's a downtrend, we should be expecting you expected to be selling. If it's an uptrend, you are expected to be buying. All right, so it's a downtrend, we are looking for a selling opportunity. Then we go down to the lower time frame, like 4 hours time frame, to picture our major support and resistance. Okay, so we have done that by drawing these black horizontal lines, which is our major support and resistance. Then we move down to 1 hour time frame to see the current price action, what the price is doing. And we have seen that before, the price has been trending down, and after the downtrend, the price retraced and pulled back upward. After that pullback here, currently the price is ranging between this level, okay, and this level, and the price have tested the support and is about going up this way. So the question is, what are we doing here? Are we going to buy at this point? Okay, as we know that the price is going to retrace back again to this point, or we should sell. And I'm advising, looking at what the analysis, okay, based on analysis, I am now telling you that the price, it is not safe to even buy here. Even when you see that the price is going to pull up a bit, I always want you to be more accurate. Okay, you mustn't take all the trade. So we are because definitely looking at the price action, the price is going to break down out of this support and keep going down, because the overview of the market, the whole movement of the market is a downtrend. So the sellers have been in power over a long period of time. So this is just like base pattern movement. Okay, so now at this point, we have about the probability of selling. This is 50-50 right here. But if the price retraces back to this point, so let's assume that the price push back to this point. Okay, so at this level, this is the place we expected to sell comfortably. Do you know why? The price will kind of likely to break out from this zone going down. Okay, so if you are selling at this point and the price move down and the price move down and break out of here, you are still in profit, you are making more money. But you might say you want to buy at this point, okay, because you know it's on as the price is currently at the support level, and the price will come back to this place, then you might not put your stop loss or take profit, and the price will pull back here and break out and keep going down. Then you lose all your profits. Or the price will push up this a bit and turn back and break out from here. So we are looking for a situation whereby we are winning all round, because we have seen that the trend is a downtrend. So we shouldn't be looking for any opportunity to to buy but opportunity to sell. So look at our entry here, here, and here. So we are waiting for this price to, so if you wait and this price get back to this point, okay, this is another level we are going to sell and enjoy this movement down here, so that if it actually breaks out of this support, which is our expectation, we are still going to be in massive profit, guys. Okay, so we expected to be selling instead of us buying. Okay, so all we need to do is to wait for the price to push back or retrace back to our resistance level, then we sell. But for those who like to, you know, trade this kind of ranging market, this is an opportunity to buy now. Okay, you can actually buy now and take the price to certain level upward, okay, and sell when it gets to the resistance. Okay, but those who don't trade, who don't like trading ranging markets, you expected to only do something when the price pull back to this point, you sell to take it down, because it's likely that the price is going to break below the support with our analysis, guys. So this is how simple analyzing your trade. Each day before I trade, this is what I do. I go to a higher time frame to discover the overview of the price. I draw my support and resistance to the next time frame, and I go down to a lower time frame to see the current price action. I now take decision. Combining all this information together, I will place my trade. So guys, if you enjoyed this simple analysis, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button for me. Please like my video. Please like the video, share the video. Also support the channel by subscribing if you are just viewing, or you are just kind of seeing my video for the first time. Please subscribe. This is what I do here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Enjoy.